As a woman, when you get married, people ask you to adjust, and what I am saying is do not adjust. Instead, follow these 5 very simple strategies that are going to help you to have a thriving relationship. One is have patience. Marriage is like a bud of the flower, which takes nurturing, which takes care, and nurturing and caring means time. So give your marriage that time and it will start to blossom. Second is accept. When you are staying together with your partner, it's very natural, dark side of you and your partner is going to show up. Have patience and accept that dark side of not just your partner, very importantly of your own self as well. Third point is about trust. There are going to be those times when your trust is going to get shaken absolutely. So instead of gossiping about it to your family and friends, talk to your partner. That's how the trust develops. Fourth point is never compare your family with your partner's family, because when you do that, your partner feels defeated, your partner feels humiliated. In fact, honor each other's family. And finally, the fifth one, imagine that it's not your married life, it's the time when you're dating. And that becomes very, very juicy, fruitful and loving. Which one of these 5 have resonated with you the most? Write in the comment box. Take care. Bye-bye.